Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for anyone looking to revamp their pool: the INSLX waterborne semi-gloss acrylic pool paint in the stunning ocean blue shade. If you're tired of pool paint that fades quickly or doesn't adhere well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll dive deep into why this pool paint is making waves and why it's the best concrete pool paint you can get. Let's kick things off by talking about the key features of this product. The INSLX waterborne acrylic pool paint is specially designed for both fresh and saltwater swimming pools. It boasts a quick drying formula that not only enhances the look of your pool but also provides lasting color and protection. Suitable for use with fresh or saltwater pools. Quick drying acrylic paint. Available in a range of beautiful colors, including ocean blue. Can be applied over various existing pool paints. Ideal for different pool surfaces like concrete, marcite, gunite, and more. Easy to use, durable, and excellent value for money. Now, let's talk about how to use this product for the best results. Before applying the INSLX waterborne pool paint, it's essential to properly prepare your pool surface. This involves cleaning, patching any damaged areas, and following the manufacturer's guidelines. Clean the pool thoroughly to remove debris, algae, and old paint. Patch any cracks or damaged areas using a suitable product. Follow the INSLX waterborne pool painting guide for step-by-step preparation and application tips. Make sure your pool surface is dry and free from any contaminants before painting. Now, let's dive into the application process itself. The INSLX waterborne pool paint is known for its easy application. It's essential to follow the recommended number of coats and drying times for the best results. Apply the first coat evenly, following the manufacturer's instructions. Allow the first coat to dry for the recommended time. Apply a second coat for a more vibrant and durable finish. Let the paint cure for several days before filling the pool with water. Before we wrap up, let's see what customers are saying about the INSLX waterborne acrylic pool paint. Positive reviews praising its durability and color retention. A customer in a hot climate who had excellent results. A reviewer who noticed fading after a few months and had concerns. In conclusion, the INSLX waterborne semi-gloss acrylic pool paint in ocean blue is undoubtedly a top contender in the world of pool paints. Its quick drying formula, durability, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for pool owners looking to rejuvenate their swimming area. Quick drying, long-lasting, and available in beautiful colors. Suitable for various pool surfaces. Follow proper preparation and application for the best results. That wraps up our review of the INSLX waterborne pool paint. Remember to check the product details and reviews for your specific needs and climate conditions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best products on the market. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.